Here we have a drug with the following PK parameters in a 75 kilogram adult. A hepatic intrinsic clearance of 6.0 liters per minute, a volume of distribution V of 500 liters, a fraction unbound to protein FU of 0.7, and a hepatic blood flow Q of 1.3 liters per minute. The drug is completely eliminated by liver metabolism and follows a one-compartment first-order elimination. So our first question is asking to use the complete physiological hepatic clearance equation to estimate the total clearance. So we have our hepatic clearance is equal to hepatic blood flow multiplied by the fraction unbound times the intrinsic clearance over the hepatic blood flow plus the fraction unbound times the intrinsic clearance. Now we plug in the given values for each and obtain a hepatic clearance of 1.0 liters per minute. Next, we want to determine if this drug is a high, intermediate, or low extraction ratio drug. Since we just solved for our hepatic clearance, we can use this first equation and rearrange to solve for our extraction ratio E. So E would be equal to hepatic clearance over hepatic blood flow, so 1 over 1.3, and we get an extraction ratio of 0.8, which indicates a high extraction ratio drug, meaning that each time the drug passes through the liver, it is largely removed. Lastly, we will estimate the plasma half-life for this drug by using the half-life is equal to ln of 2, or 0.693, times the volume of distribution over clearance. Now to plug in our values, we have 0.693 times 500 liters divided by 1.0 liters per minute is all equal to 346.5 minutes, or 5.8 hours. Thank you for listening.